Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So I recently visited Delhi and one thing that you have to do when you go to Delhi is visit Sarojini Nagar, and I made sure to do that. For all those who don't know what exactly Sarojini Nagar is, basically Sarojini Nagar is a place in Delhi which is kind of like a street market where vendors sell items that are export surpluses and products that have a little bit of a defect, which is exactly why you tend to find branded items sold for a really cheap cost because they probably have like a little bit of a defect. I picked up a few items from Sarojini Nagar and I must say I really am impressed by the stuff that Sarojini Nagar has. It definitely is better than what we have in Colaba Causeway and Hill Road, not only in terms of the clothing items but also the entire bargaining aspect. But without rambling any further, let's just get started with this video. So I'm gonna start off with probably one of my most favorite purchases. So I picked up these baggy, comfortable looking light wash denim dungarees and I got these for rupees 300, which I think is an absolute steal because the vendor started off by quoting it at I think 800 rupees and I was finally able to get it at 300, which I feel like I could have easily gotten it till like 200, but I settled for 300. But nonetheless, I love the way these look on me and they fit beautifully. And the reason why I say that the fitting of these dungarees is beautiful is because usually when you tend to buy baggy clothes, the fitting of it can be a hit or a miss because it could totally end up looking like pajamas, and to get that effortlessly like casual look, it's really difficult. And I'm really impressed that Sarojini Nagar has those type of items available. The next denim item is this denim jacket that I got, which has like white detailing all over it. Now I've been wanting to get like a plain denim jacket for a really long time. This is not what I was looking for. I wanted like a plain classic denim jacket but couldn't find one, so I picked this one up for 200 rupees. It's a little bit cropped but I really love it and it's a really cute piece and I'm glad that I got it. Moving on to the sweater slash tops that I got. Now Sarojini Nagar had a lot of winter wear, which is totally justified because Delhi has really wintry climate. The first thing that I picked up is this black turtleneck and the fitting on it is absolutely beautiful. It's to die for. I still cannot believe I got it for rupees 100. Usually when I buy long sleeves t-shirts or sweaters, they don't fit me well around my wrist. It's a little bit loose there always, but this fits me perfectly and the overall fitting is great, which is why I'm so glad I picked up the exact same turtleneck top slash sweater in a light baby pink color. It's the exact same thing, just in a different color. It's absolutely beautiful and I couldn't be happier. Now I picked up a couple of sweaters in like basic colors. The first one that I picked up is this black sweater, and the reason why I picked up a couple of sweaters in the same style is because these can act like really good basics, so I had to stock them up. So I stocked up on these basics in the color black. Now the black and white, both of them have like a scoop neck and yeah, I think they look really pretty on. The third color that I got is like a grey sweater. However, this one has a V-neck to it and can be dressed up to be worn in a formal setting as well. And the fourth sweater that I picked up is in this beige nudie color. This one, however, has kind of like a really weird cut on the neck. I'm not really sure what it's called. It looks really weird just if you look at it as a piece of clothing, but when I put it on, it looks great. By the way, all of these sweaters and tops that I've showed you so far cost only for rupees 100. These were all the basics that I picked up. I wish I had picked up some more because they were only for rupees 100 and you can never have enough basics. Also, I picked up like 3 more sweaters. These 3 sweaters aren't basics. They're a little bit more than basics. So the first one that I got is this red Christmassy sweater. It's so festive and so cute. It has like these 3 protruding stockings on it and it's so cute. The next one that I got is this furry sweater. It's a black and white chevron print sweater. Really cute. Again, only for 100 rupees. And the last sweater is again like a Christmas sweater. It's this light pink full sleeve sweatery knitty material which has like 3 sparrows. I'm not really sure what those are. And I got this one as well for rupees 100. Actually, I was wrong. I got 4 sweaters. The fourth one is this black and white knitty sweater which is actually from Forever 21 And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's kind of basic, but you can totally dress it up with maybe a red lipstick and I think the outfit would look great. I got two casual tops which I think would be great for me to wear to college or for just an everyday basis. The first one is this baseball t-shirt, and yeah, it has a really pretty grey top with black sleeves. And the second sweatshirt that I got is a grey sweatshirt. It's a full sleeves top. As I said, everything in Sarojini Nagar was very wintery, which is why everything was either like full sleeves or like woolen. So this was the closest thing that I could get to something that I could be able to wear in Mumbai. I also picked up a pair of bottoms. Now these are the bottoms that I've been wanting to find and get for a really long time. They're really basic white pants with black vertical stripes and has a really pretty bow belt thing on the waist. They fit, I think, quite well. However, the pants are made up of like a really thin material, but that's one thing that I can totally ignore because they were only for rupees 200. And the last piece of clothing is my favorite. It's this red blazer and it was for rupees 300. It doesn't fit me that well, but it was only for rupees 300. I can totally get it tailored, and this is what it looks like on me. I absolutely love it and I cannot wait to wear it. Now, one thing that I noticed is that the earrings, necklaces and the accessories in general that you find at Colaba Causeway are the exact same that you find at Sarojini Nagar. However, the accessories at Sarojini Nagar are half the price, which is insane. So the first earrings that I got from Sarojini Nagar are these big silver hoops. I've been wanting to get like big hoops, and I got these for like 60 rupees, which I think would have been impossible for me to bargain that much at Colaba Causeway, but I did find that at Sarojini Nagar, so that was a steal for me. The next two earrings are like Indian earrings, and the first one are these colorful, really pretty silver work earrings. I believe I got these for rupees 100. The third pair of earrings are these blue Indian wear earrings, again with silver work, for 100 rupees again. And the last pair of earrings that I got are these red threaded tassel earrings, and I got these for like 50 rupees. So yeah, that was my first ever Sarojini Nagar haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the little bell which will notify you every time I post a new video. Follow me on my social medias and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!